Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair and I'm using one of my all-time favorite hair colors, and I just want to see if I still love it after so many years of not using it. Mainly because I've been trying so many different hair colors and I just haven't bought it just because I had such a long list of ones to try. So let's jump in. Do I still love my favorite Schwarzkopf Color Ultime in the shade Sapphire Black? Well, I have kept record of all the hair colors I've tried, and since this was my very first black hair dye video, I never really talked about if it irritated my head or if it stained your skin and stuff like that. And from my notes dating back then, and this is dating back to 2017, all I really had to say was that it's a higher end drugstore hair dye, which it is. There's no harsh scent, so you don't need any ventilation, which is true. This one, I don't remember if it had a floral scent, but it's 2021 and there's a floral scent in this. It made my hair feel amazing after washing it out, which is true. My hair feels so soft, silky, and sleek, and there's no irritation. That was in 2017. Now, 2021, it itches like crazy. I don't know if they changed their formula because, like I said, this has been my favorite go-to drugstore color. I love it because it lasts forever. I can go a whole month without having to color my hair because it sticks to my grays and my whites, and I don't see them until they grow out. It's a nice thick formula, but not super thick to the point where you run out of hair color quickly. It's thick enough, and it's thick enough to maneuver, but it's virtually mess free. You only have when you kind of go like this with your hair, where you kind of get little splashes on your countertop. That's about it. It stains slightly on your countertop and your tub, but it dramatically stains your hair. And I know everybody's been telling me to go get a hair color remover from Sally's. I have it in my shopping cart. I just haven't purchased it yet, along with a couple colors that I was recommended. They're still sitting in my shopping cart right now, and I haven't purchased yet. So far, it's still just as gorgeous as it has been. It's so dark. It's so blue. I don't know if the camera's picking up. All I see is black on the camera. But when I was blow drying my hair, in every way I moved my head, I could see blue. And it's bright blue. It's a nice, gorgeous navy blue. And I don't think my camera is picking it up. All I see is dark black. Oh, I see it now. I see it on the ends here. Let's see. I don't know. It's so blue. That's all I really see when I was blow drying my hair. I was blow drying it, and every which way I moved my hair, I would see blue. I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but it's such a gorgeous color. And I know that was one thing that I highly raved about, is because I could never find a drugstore color that the blue just popped. And it popped in any lighting. And this was that color. For the fact that it itched the whole entire time, I'm kind of upset about, because I feel like they kind of changed their formula. And which is fine. I know a lot of companies, you know, they want to be the best of the best, so they got to change their formula to, you know, every year tweak it a little bit. And I never had an issue with it back in 2017 with it irritating my head, but it irritated. That's a bummer. But will I go back? As long as I didn't change the formula where it washes out so quickly. If it stays stuck to my head for like a full month like it used to, then it's definitely worth it. But other than the itching, I still love it. Because my hair feels so amazing. I mean, it did feel really dry when I was washing it out. Even after I shampooed it, it's felt that way. I was like kind of bummed because I've had people after I've told them, this is my favorite hair color, my favorite drugstore hair color. They're like, my hair feels so dry and dead after using it. And once I started feeling that when I was shampooing, I was just like, oh, they must have changed their formula. But I threw conditioner in, and now my hair feels so amazing. It feels so good. I can run my fingers through it with no issues. It's just bomb. I love it. Do I like the fact that it stained my skin? No, but it'll come off. I'll just keep scrubbing it again. Yeah, so other than it irritating my head, I have nothing bad to say about this because I've loved this color so much. And to see how like much the blue has popped while blow drying my hair and straightening it, it's just so amazing. I love it. And I'm not just saying that because I loved it previously. I mean, it's been what, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, like 4 years since I've actually used this exact product. I've used different Schwarzkopf lines from them, but I haven't actually gone back to this, and I've wanted to. But since I actually didn't want to waste so much time coloring and recoloring my hair before Christmas and in the holidays, and I'm gonna be really super busy, that I just don't know if I'll have that time to recolor my hair if it washes out. So I know for a fact that this color sticks in my hair, and I hope they didn't change that part of the formula. So yeah, I really have nothing bad to say except that it just started irritating my head. Let's see what is in the hair color. And it's made with toluene. So, yeah. Like I said, I still haven't figured out if PPD or toluene has irritated my head before. And I'm still working on trying to figure that out. But this has toluene in it. And, yep. Hopefully you guys liked this updated review on it. I think the color is gorgeous. It is so dark. I love it, but it's also so blue. I'm kind of bummed that the camera's not picking up how blue it is, because it is such a gorgeous color. And look how shiny my hair is. Oh my god. I really wish the color would just pop on camera. But it just looks so dark, but you can definitely see the blue. Like, I could see the blue every time I move my head. I just wish the camera would pick it up more. I know I keep rumbling on about it, but it's such a great color. And if there's any recommendations that you want me to try or like retry from older videos, then let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely give it a try. UK colors are really hard to find. Usually I can find them like on eBay, but they're really pricey. But I can always try my best to find it and see what is similar to the ones that are in the US. Yeah, so leave your recommendations below for anything that you want me to try, as long as it's in black or blue black. And I will definitely do my best to get my hands on it. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave all the recommendations you want me to try in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.